Here's a good looking convertible. It's body style, always rich looking. 2005 Cadillac XLR retractable hardtop. No accents indicated on the Carfax. Actual mile car, 39,396 is all. Crimson red or magnetic red. The shale interior. I believe in 05 there's only a little over 1,000 of these made in this color. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Of course, a 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. You can see that fascia looks good. Headlights. Paint has a nice shine to it. Automatic transmission with overdrive. Nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Of course, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Power retractable top. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk, unique, classiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished wheels, and those are in nice shape. Technician noted brakes are like new, front and rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I did notice a couple spots where there's some kind of scuffs in the paint, just a little bit of the wheel well. It's kind of tough to see it. They're pretty minute. Little spot behind the wheel well you can see there. Otherwise, majority of that side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Just a little bit above this rear wheel well, but again, pretty minute. As you can see, it's tough to see them. Try to get some pictures of that too, so you can see it in the still pictures. Mentioned the shale interior, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. I will show you the top functioning up and down. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, you can see that paint has a nice shine or luster to it. Take a look at the underside pics. Very clean car. Engine bay, trunk, unique. Classiccars.com is where all those still pics are. If you like these specialty Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily to YouTube, and the vehicles in the videos are available to purchase. And you can either do that online right off our showroom floor. As you can see up and down the driver's side, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, these built in Bowling Green Corvette platform. Door panel, nice shape. Bose stereo system. Of course, your modern amenities, power mirrors, power windows, power locks, memory seating, power seat, this power recliner, bolster, power tilt and telescopic wheel, steering wheel controls, heads-up display. It's a Cadillac, loaded up like you'd expect. All right, let's check those exact miles. Close this door. All right. So first of all, no check engine indicated, check engine lights, anything like that indicated. Service engine soon. There's your exact miles, 39,396. Dash looks good. That heads-up display is working. You can see that. I can adjust it or brighten it up too. Brighten it all the way up. Or you can scroll it down, you can see it a little bit better. So no surprises on the inside of this. Let's check out the stereo system. Stereo working fine. Electronic dual zone climate control, heated seats, Pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay in just a second. First, let's take a listen. Sounds as you would expect it to. Slip up to the front. See if I can get this. I tell you what, I'm going to pause it a second. Let me get this hood open, show you the engine bay, and then I'll show you the hardtop functioning. Look how clean the underside of this hood is. Wow, hood liner, spotless. Doesn't look like this has really been driven in inclement weather. That doesn't surprise me. There it is. 4.6 liter V8 power, and again paired up with that automatic transmission with overdrive. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay, just what you'd expect. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. You'll be able to see still pictures of everything I'm showing you in this video at uniqueclassiccars.com, and you'll be able to see the car with the top up and top down, and we're going to go ahead and show that top functioning now. So there you go. You get to see the top functioning. Also rolled up the side glass so you can see that those are tinted. So know your local and state laws with the percentage of window tint that you can have. As you can see, nice tight fit up above the windshield where it locked in. Little touch-up spot here in the roof. Side glass fits nicely. Rear window also tinted, rear defrost. Looks like the finish, pretty good shape. Maybe one little touch-up spot there. But again, pretty minor. And what a great looking car with the top up also. I don't think you can always say that about convertibles. Sometimes they look better with the top down. This one, very sporty and elegant looking all at the same time. Nice luxurious roadster. 2005 Cadillac XLR, clean Carfax, low mileage. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, stick around a little bit longer. I'll show you the top going back down, and Jason's going to take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2005 Cadillac XLR. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. Nice low mile car in a great color. Now mostly I've seen black ones. This one's got a nice color on it. Beautiful paint. If you're looking for Corvette performance in a Cadillac, this would be your car. Loaded up with all the great amenities Cadillac gives you, combined with the performance of a Corvette, honestly. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's super easy for anybody to drive. Stereo sounds great. All our gauges are working, the battery's charging over 14 volts. The fuel gauge is showing a little less than half. The temperature is almost a quarter of the way up the gauge. And the oil pressure is almost 60 psi. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. These cars have some of the coolest tops. Power hardtop that folds itself at the push of a button. Very smooth brakes in this car. I have a heads-up display giving me my miles per hour. Acceleration is nice and smooth. Corners, dare I say, like a Corvette, it corners very well. And when you want to go, just put your foot down and it'll go. This is a very fun car, luxurious yet sporty. Take a look at all the pictures of this XLR at uniqueclassiccars.com.